A new kind of drug is being sold on the streets of Westmoreland County. It is called Triple C, and police say it caused one man to flip out and fight with officers in Greensburg. Ross Guidotti explains what it is and where it came from. New at 6.
When Greensburg police got on scene, they found Ian Segucio in a disturbed state, acting rather violently. When he was finally taken into custody, he admitted to them that he had taken something called Triple C.
Greensburg police say from the moment they came across 35-year-old Ian Segucio inside this Fayette Street apartment, they knew right away something was wrong with him. It was maybe 50 degrees outside and
he was sweating badly.
Officers arrived after a woman called claiming Segucio was supposed to be watching her children and he was high. His alleged drug of choice, something relatively new in this area.
Cortisone, cough, and cold medicine.
Its street name, Triple C.
Basically, coughs are, you can get anywhere. I mean, even some of the stores will limit you to 3.
Triple C contains something called dextromethorphan, which, taken in high doses, can produce hallucinations and a sense of disassociation, and it can also lead to a heart attack. Greensburg police say when they were trying to talk to Segucio, he was completely out of it and angry.
He started breathing heavily, pacing back and forth. He wouldn't listen to the commands of the police officers. He was, at the time, actually holding something in his hand, hiding it.
Worried it may be a gun in his hand, police took Segucio into custody. The suspect injured at least one officer in the melee. Segucio now faces 6 criminal charges to include aggravated assault. The children in his care turned out to be okay, and a near-empty bottle of Triple C was discovered inside the dwelling.
It seems to be a fad of teenagers. And not a 35-year-old.
Segucio tonight remains free on $25,000 bond. In Greensburg, Ross Guidotti, KDKA-TV News.